Geoff's going to install one of our standard mats right now.
Hi everybody, thanks for joining us.
So we're starting with putting our MatSense Pro on the mat. We're going to connect the conductor wires and the ground wire. This will alert us if anything gets damaged during installation. We're going to test, it'll test for a ground fault and for loss of continuity. Geoff's quickly marking out where he wants the mat to be placed on the subfloor so that when he comes back to install it, it ends up in the correct place. So we're going to apply some thin set.
I'll just start by keying it into the substrate here. Okay. I'm going to finish by directionally troweling all the mortar the same way. You just grab that. There you go.
We're getting a good bond here to the substrate. We can see some of the thin set starting to seep through the fabric of the mat. This is going to ensure a nice tight bond to the floor. Nice. We're going to smooth out any possible air pockets that are going to be there.
And that's it. And we're ready to set our thin set on top and set tile. Easy as that. Thinnest heated flooring installation product in the industry.